allylic and benzylic alkanols. Allylic and benzylic alkanols. Remember that there is one special carbon bonded to OH in every alkanol. Now, what is allylic alkanol? That special carbon is called carbenol. Remember, carbenol carbon. In allylic alkanol, that special carbon is now called allylic carbon. An allylic carbon is a carbon that is directly bonded to a group known as allylic group. This group is known as allylic group. And this group, which is supposed to be carbenol carbon, is now called allylic carbon because it is bonded to allylic group. While benzylic alkanol is alkanol whose carbenol carbon is benzylic. What is benzylic carbon? A benzylic carbon is a carbon directly bonded to a benzene ring or phenyl ring. Phenyl ring. Phenyl ring. This is benzene ring. This is benzene ring. Where we have hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So when a benzene loses hydrogen, it is called phenyl group. So what are we saying? Any alkanol whose carbenol carbon is directly bonded to phenyl group is called benzylic alkanol, and that carbon will be called benzylic carbon. So just look at this very well. Any compound you see carbon that is bonded to OH and also bonded to an allylic carbon. Sorry. Any carbon that is bonded to OH and bonded to an allylic group, that carbon is called allylic carbon, and therefore the compound is called allylic alkanol. So let's look at some examples of allylic alkanol. Examples of allylic alkanols. We have this. This is the same thing as CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CH2OH. Because if you look at this, you see that we have first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how do we name this? If you remove OH, you will see clearly that this is an alkene. That alkene, because the carbon atoms are 5, you say pent. 1, 2. At the second carbon, we have double bond, so it's pent2-ene. But this is not alkene fully because it has OH. It's an alkanol. So you remove E and look for the OH. The carbon it is bonded to is the first carbon. So this becomes pent2-ene-1-ol. That's the name. Pent2-ene-1-ol. We also have another compound. One, two, three. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the name? 1, 2, 3, 4. But. The double bond is at the second carbon. But2-ene. You remove the E because of OH, which is bonded to the first carbon, and it becomes but2-ene-1-ol. That is it. Okay, let's look at benzylic alkanols. Let's look at benzylic alkanols. Benzylic alkanols, where we have phenyl group directly bonded to a carbon that is bonded to OH. Okay, let's name this first. You will see that this OH is bonded to a carbon number 1, and there's no other carbon except the carbons in the phenyl group. Therefore, this is the only carbon in this alkanol that is bonded to phenyl group, apart from the cis-phenyl carbons. So the name should be what? No need of saying 1 phenyl, because there is no 2 phenyl. The name should be phenyl methane. Yes. Sorry, it's not methane. OH is attached to that carbon. So it's phenyl methanol. You can easily write it like this. You can draw it like this. CH2OH, phenyl methanol. We also have this. We also have this. We also have this. Okay, if you look at this structure very well, you will see that we have carbon number 1 here. Okay, sorry. 1 is the first carbon, second carbon. So this is 1 phenyl ethanol. 1 phenyl ethanol, because there are 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2. That is ethanol. So it's 1 phenyl ethanol. See you